Every device eventually needs a fix. But accessing these repairs sparks a global debate. This is the right to repair movement. It's a fight for consumer control. Manufacturers often dictate who can fix our tech. This limits choices and increases costs. We explore this critical controversy today. Understand why this battle truly matters. Your digital freedom is at stake. Tech giants control vital repair processes. Apple famously restricted genuine parts access. Their Error 53 once bricked many iPhones. This happened with unauthorized home button repairs. John Deere uses software locks on tractors. Farmers cannot fix their own expensive equipment. Proprietary parts make independent repair difficult. These practices create repair monopolies. Louis Rossmann became a repair advocate. His YouTube channel champions device repair rights. He fixes devices others deem unrepairable. iFixit provides free repair guides online. They offer essential tools and replacement parts. Consumer groups demand broader access. The movement pushes for legislative changes. The European Union leads global efforts. They mandate easier phone and tablet repairs. France implemented repairability index labeling. Several U.S. states introduced Fair Repair Acts. New York passed its Digital Fair Repair Act in 2022. This law requires parts and tools access. It applies to many electronics, not just phones. This sets a vital precedent for others. Right to repair empowers consumers greatly. It extends device lifespans significantly. This reduces massive electronic waste globally. It saves users considerable money annually. Fostering repair innovation benefits everyone. It challenges powerful corporate control. This movement shapes our digital future. Your right to own your tech is essential. The right to repair is a crucial fight. It pits consumer freedom against corporate power. Advocacy and legislation are making progress. Support for repair empowers every user. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.